Hello guys, welcome back to another video with Mandy. So today we are working on grade 8 angles. This is for grade 8 angles. So today we are working on angles. This is a question paper specifically for angles only. Okay, guys, let's not waste our time and get started with the questions. Question number 10. Calculate the value of the variables marked with the small letter A to D. Write your answers in the columns provided. Show all calculations. Okay. So 10.1. There it is. We're given our angles, guys. And I told you, we know, guys, the angles on a straight line. This is a straight line. And when you see like a box, like just know that this is a right angle triangle. And right angle triangle, right, 90, this one is 90 what? This one is 90 degree. So the angles on a straight line equals to 180. These angles, all these angles, these are the angles on a straight line. They equal to what? They equal 8. The statement is going to be A plus 90 degree plus 20 degree 180. So we are solving for A in this instance. So it's going to be A equals to 180 degree. I'm going to take this to the other side to change sign. It's going to be minus 90 degree. I will take this to the other side. It's going to be minus 20 degree. Therefore, A equals to 70 degree. What about the reason? The reason of what? Angles on angles on a straight line. Angles on a straight line. Cool. Guys, let's move to 10.2. So we're given a triangle and we have an angle outside our triangle. And guys, we know that an angle outside a triangle, it is called what? An exterior angle of what? Of a triangle. This is what is an exterior angle of a triangle. This angle here equals these two angle when added together. These two angles added together equal this 130. It is what is an exterior angle equal two angles that are opposite to it. So this is the two angle opposite to it. So the statement is gonna be B plus. Oh, sorry. Let me mirror. So guys, sorry for that. So it's gonna be what? It's gonna be B plus B equals to 130 equals to 130 degree. And then B plus B equals to what? It is 2B equals to 130 degree. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to divide both sides by 2. And then B equals to 65 degree. And then what's the reason? Reason is what is exterior angles of a triangle. Exterior angle of a triangle. Okay, guys, let's move to 10.3. Let's move to 10.3. 10.3, we're given a diagram there. Guys, I'm just gonna write something here, guys. if it's given like this, if you find an angle like this, guys, maybe here with A, we have 70. A equals to 70. Reason is what? It is vertical opposite angles. Vertical opposite angles. And when you see the letter F, what you need to do is to follow the parallel lines. These two angles are what? Equal. The reason is what? Is corresponding angles. So if it has a shape of Z, these are parallel lines, and then here we have an angle. These two angles, this and this one, they're equal. Reason are alternate angles. And then guys, and then the last one is the U shape in grade 8. What you need to do, just you need to check the parallel lines first. These two angles, this one and this one, they equal 180. Let's say we have an A here, we have an A here. It's gonna be like A plus A equals to what? 180 degree. Reason is co-interior angles. Okay, guys, let's come to this side. So let's start with C, and then we'll work on D. Guys, we have parallel lines there. Let me change the color so that you can see what I'm talking about. Guys, can you see? These are parallel lines. These are our parallel lines. And then we have a C here, we have a C here. Guys, can you see? Now we have a what? We have a C shape. And I know that this one and this one adds up to 180 degree with the reason called interior angle, because AB is parallel to to CD. So let's work out the equation. So it's gonna be 6C minus 40 degree plus 2C minus 20 degree equals to 180 degree. Now let's solve for an C. Let's add the like term. 6C plus 2C is gonna give me 8C, and then I will take these two to the other side, or maybe let's start by adding them here. So negative 40 minus 20 is gonna give me negative 60C, 180 degree. I'm going to take this negative 60 to the other side. 8C is gonna be 180 degree plus 60 degree. 8C 180 degree is gonna be 240, and then I will divide by 8. And therefore C is gonna be 30 degree. Reason for interior angles, because AB is parallel to C, because AD is parallel to C. So now let's check D. What's the value of D now? Now guys, we now know that C is 30 degree. Where there is C, I'm going to put what? To put 30. And then we see that D is vertically opposite to what? To C minus what? Minus 40. Okay, let me use another color. See? This one vertically opposite with this one, with this one. Like remember this one, these are the vertical opposite angles. So it's gonna easier for us because we have what? We have C which is equal to 30 degree. Therefore it's gonna be D is equals to 3 D is gonna be D is gonna be 6. I'll put 30 here minus 40, and then D is gonna be 6 times 30 is 118 minus 40. The D is gonna be 140. D is gonna be 140 degree. Reason is vertically oppo opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. And then guys, that's it. That's it with angles, guys. Please subscribe, and then we'll doing more questions in our next lesson for grade 8. And that's it for today. Yeah, that's it, guys. Please subscribe.